Yes, hello everyone, welcome to the next Femitech video tutorial. Now guys, for this episode I'm gonna actually show you how to add or factory reset this Samsung Tab E tablet. So this customer basically don't remember his pin. So in terms of resetting it, I reach this the which of course is the menu page, or if you want to say the reset or the boot menu page, or if you want to say the system recovery page, but you need to reach this page. So down the bottom of the tablet there's a key button, so you actually have to press and hold it, and then to the side there you have the power button and the volume up button. So what you'll do, you'll press and hold down all three at the same time. Once you feel the tablet vibrate, or say the Samsung sign comes up, then you will release the power button and continue holding down the other two buttons. So that's will show you how to reach this page. Now I'm gonna use the volume up and volume down to actually navigate. You need to go down to um, one that said wipe data factory reset. The power button is what you use to select, or the power button is okay. So now I now need to scroll down to one that said yes, delete all user data, and then use the power button to select R as okay. Then as you can see, it is saying erasing. So whenever you're doing that, you need to ensure that you have enough charge in your tablet. So I would recommend over 50%. So it is now complete. It is now asking me to reboot, so I'm going to use the power button to select. So it is now rebooting. So as you can see, Galaxy Tab E. So just a simple process. Samsung sign there. So again guys, this will take it back to the factory reset. So basically wipe all the data that you would have entered in the tablet, include password, applications, just about any changes that you would have made after just purchasing this tablet. So it should be up and running in a few. Definitely all the applications that would have been installed, the customer would have to reinstall those create password or pattern combination, that is in terms of security. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Of course, leave your comments in the comment section of the video, and definitely share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.